Hello guys, today we'll be building something on basic lines. I'm just gonna get it set up. I'm gonna dig out a 5x5 area. Alright, once you've dug out a 5x5 area, put a piece of dirt in the middle, and then right in front of the chest, like on this side, put glowstone, block, and then obsidian. And then on the left of the glowstone, pretty much right here, put dirt and then your dispenser. Now we are just going to fill this in with hoppers so we can get all the loot. You get lots of stuff with this farm. And then we are going to pull out some hoppers there. Basically, we're getting all set up. To set up, this is pretty much for storage, so this is outside of the tree's boundary. Alright, now a thing you may want to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks up, and then just break this. That will be your tree height limiter. Okay, now you can use any type of wood. I'll just use jungle. We won't, I'll take out the hoppers for now. Next, I would recommend building a way to get into your farm. This uses no piston pusher wither things. It just has a leaf crusher. And now this is 3 blocks, and you'll be able to do the planting and breaking. Let's move on to the next step, which is setting up the piston crusher. I would suggest making it 5x5. So I'll lay out the basics for you. 4, 5. I would actually just do 4x5 like that. Okay, let's get that filled in. I'm going to show you one crusher. That way you could follow up on the other side. Like this. I'll put jungle wood to mark it out. That's where we'll put the next one, which is pretty much where the hopper chain is. Okay, next, put your cheapest fence material on the outside, the middle, and then this side, and then you want to put your, you have to put netherbrick. There's no other way to do this, and it makes a nice pattern, and plus it doesn't click together. We do that in 1.9 because items glitch up a lot more in pistons, so. Alright, anyways, I'm just gonna do this like that, fill it all in. See? 4x5, and then do the fence thing, and I'll catch back with you. Alright, so now you have something that looks a lot like this. Now we are going to I would suggest using cobblestone, but I'm gonna use andesite because, I don't know, the texture's just pretty cool. You can even use wood. Basically any solid block. You can't use transparent or else you'll have problems. And we're actually gonna put redstone on that, so I am gonna grab redstone. We don't need the fences anymore since we already have done that. Yeah, now the leaf crushers are just supposed to give you back saplings, so once you run out you can hop down to the chest and grab more. So it's not like a fully AFK thing. Okay, I'm gonna grab the next material set. And my next material set is a comparator. The comparator will pull out a signal. You have to put a wood block in there. It'll just make life easier. Redstone dust. We're using redstone dust because the piston above will do problems. And then I would just put this down. Also, another thing is get 1 bonemeal and put it inside this dispenser so this can activate when we need it to. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out redstone dust around here, and hopefully this will make a clock, and then with a clock we can hook it up, and basically when a tree grows, it will stop, and you'll be able to harvest the materials. Basic, very basic. Okay, next we are going to do something like this. So it's off. No, well, yeah, it has to be like that. We could actually use a repeater, but it would be more costly. I'm just going to do it for the sake of the tutorial. I am also going to pull out some dust. Okay, now the side where the chest is, get some half slabs, because now with the half slabs, we can go ahead and do this, 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 and this, and now we can, oops, I wasn't fast enough to clean the inventory out. Do that, and actually you can even just, yeah, there you go. Hook up redstone, and if it pushes in, you're all good. Okay, now we have to find a way to hook up the other side. And the way I will do that is, I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna get 2 repeaters. Basically you have to hook up the other side any way you can. And any way you like. If you know how to use the redstone dust, then you're good to go. I'm gonna put the half slabs on. Okay, half slabs on. Now, with the half slabs on, put the dust on. Pretty nice. Very good. Excellent. And it's not gonna push everything, I am guessing. Yes, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 repeater there, and it should get everything. And this is actually the whole farm. See, that wasn't so hard. Next, actually, we're not completely finished. Now, remember, we did put hoppers out here. So, if you're still in the video, great, because now we can start doing this. I'm just going to basically use a trick where we put the chests and hoppers like this. And you could put as much as bonemeal as you want, depending on how much you want to AFK. Awesome. So once that is all looking great, yes, that's basically what you've got there. And it's okay if saplings fall into here because eventually they'll just shoot out and it'll be a-okay. Now, yes, fill this up with bonemeal. Boom. And then since this is made for you can use any axe. But the axe, the more durability the axe has, the more you'll AFK here. Okay, well, I guess we should give this a go. So to start your farm, well, first I'll go into game mode C, but to start your farm, you break that, you do that, and as you can see, the leaf crushers will crush most of the leaves. Now this is the part where you can align your character up. So where that top obsidian is, hold down right click, left click, and this will happen. You're basically not going to be able to break it. And then you could just keep doing this as long as you please. And the leaves will also push the wood and stuff into the hoppers. Basically everything gets shoved around anyways, which is great. And as you can see, I'm actually getting saplings back a lot, as a matter of fact. I'm just going to run this a little bit, and I'll give you the results. And once you're done harvesting, just place wood there to stop it. And also put a piece of bonemeal in there. Um, yes, I apologize that happened. Oops, I was in there. Okay, anyways, now I'll get my way out of here using spectator mode and then going back into creative. Alright, so yeah, that I've done a lot of tree harvesting. Now, yeah, the fences seem to help. Now you do get a little bit of leaves back here, but it's not a big problem. Look at that. I only That was only one dispenser full of bonemeal, and this is how many materials I got. 33 oak saplings, a couple of, this is not even like, it's pretty short time, so if the faster the axe, the better. And so that's 36 saplings and a couple of wood. And since you watch this, I bet you're wondering, I may need a materials list. I'll put that in the description below. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you really liked the tutorial. If you do, please give it a like. And you really like the content, I would suggest subscribing for more. Thanks for watching. I'm the Adventure Boss. I'll see you in another bit. Bye.